I put my trust in Powermatic. Hi, I'm Nick Cook, and I've been turning wood for about 35 years. For the last 15 years, I've been involved with the people at Powermatic on developing lathes. The 3520, the 3520A, and the 3520B have progressed to become very fine machines. Now we've developed over the past 5 years the 4224. It's taken all the features that we put on the 3520 and then added more to make it the ultimate in wood turning. A great lathe is the sum of all the details, and we've paid close attention to all the details that we've added to this machine. First and foremost is the sliding headstock. Now I can move the headstock over, either just to get closer to the machine without falling over the leg. I can push it all the way to the end to turn a larger piece. The two locking cams on the back ensure that the headstock's not going to move so that you don't damage the piece as you're turning it. The hefty 3 horsepower motor is 3-phase, but you don't have to worry about that. The inverter takes care of that by taking single-phase 220 power and converting it to the 3-phase motor. That, combined with the 3-step pulley, gives you the maximum torque for larger pieces and maximum speed for smaller pieces. A digital readout shows you exactly how many RPMs the spindle is moving, and you can also reverse it. That allows you to sand and finish the piece a little easier. We've added a vacuum chuck, a venturi built into the headstock that allows you to connect your shop air directly to the machine and have vacuum. We've added a spindle lock. Nobody has a spindle lock like this. It's one of the best features of the machine. And with it now, you can put things on the chuck, take them off without any assistance. The speed control is the best there is, has a linear potentiometer and a speed range from 40 RPMs up to 3,500 RPMs. You have a digital readout, so you can tell exactly how fast the machine is going, unlike the dial indicators that are on some lathes. We've added indexing to the head. Not only 36 points like most lathes have, we've got 14, 36, and 48. This allows you to index very quickly and efficiently without having to take the cover off the headstock or anything like that. The lighting system, I can't turn without light. It's the best lighting system there is. We've got 4 110 outlets so you can plug in your drill, your router, or whatever you need. We've improved the tool rest. The locking mechanism is such that it stays where you put it. It locks in place more firmly. The tailstock has an Acme thread now. This makes drilling much more positive and much faster. As a production turner, I find it necessary to duplicate things on many occasions. The comparator, the ability to put an original piece back here and then use my calipers to move the measurements over to the duplicate piece, makes it a lot easier to make multiples. We've got a tool caddy for all the accessories, the live centers, the drive centers, and all that. And all of that sits on a bed of cast iron. As a wood turner, what I tell everybody is that you want to get the best there is when you start. And the biggest is almost always the best. I tell people that you can do small things on a big lathe, but you can't do big things on a small lathe. So if you're interested in getting into it big time, start with this one.
For the last 90 years, Powermatic has been setting the gold standard in woodworking machinery. Committed to quality since 1921, Powermatic has been providing generations of woodworkers with the tools and the confidence to create and inspire.